Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add repeated field in WP form in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using WP form plugin and we are going to add repeater field. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write repeater field for WP form. So this is plugin we will use, so click on install now, then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. Go to WP form. Now refresh the page and then you see start repeater and repeater. Now scroll down in form. Now drag and drop. First we are going to add start repeater. Now click on it and then you see general, start repeater, label, and then you see title, person. So if you want you can add it or remove it, it's up to you. Now you see question mark and optional title before each row of the repeater, and then you see show index, enable, field size you can select according to your requirement, and then you see question mark for show index, use the placeholder to print the current row index. Again click on add field and then you see end repeater. Now drag and drop like this. Now click on it and then you see same option, end repeater, label, add button text, add mode button or add mode field. So you can add text according to your requirement, and then you see initial row 1, map field with initial row, limit 10. So you can add limit according to your requirement. So we are going to set limit to 5. So maximum 5 field of set user can add. So you can add limit number according to your requirement, and then we are going to add field between begin repeater and repeater. Now click on add field and then you see single line text, drag and drop here. So single line text field edit, so click on it. So you can add text according to your requirement. For label, if you want you can make it required. Again click on add field. Now drag and drop like this. Now click on it. If you want you can make it required, and then click on save. Now form save done. Go to form page and refresh the page. So now we are going to fill this form, and then you see start repeater and repeater, and if you want you can remove start repeater and repeater label from form. Also you remove one. Now back to form. So click on end repeater. Now remove it, and then you see begin repeater, so click on it, remove it, and then you see show index. Back to form, you see 1. If you want you can disable it, and then click on save again. Now form save done. Go to form page and refresh the page again. Now scroll down, you see add mode field, class A, class B. So click on it, another edit 3, 4, 5, and then you don't see any add mode field button because we set limit 5. Now back to form. Now we are going to add mode field in begin repeater and end repeater section. Now click on duplicate, OK. Again click on duplicate, OK, and then click on save. Now form save done. Go to form page and refresh the page. Now we are going to fill this form first. So we added some information. Now we are going to fill this field. First click on add mode field. Now total 5 set. Now we are going to fill this all field. Now you see we added some information in class A, class B. So we added A, B, C, and now we are going to add digital signature like this, and then click on submit form, and then you see form submission done. Now we are going to Gmail to check. So we receive email in our Gmail account. Now you see form information, name, date, phone, paragraph, email, and now you see row set, class A, class B, class A, class B. We have 5 set of field, and then you see digital signature, and then you see 13 number. So if you want to add person or label, then that information show here. Now back to form builder. Now click on begin repeater. Now you see label title. If you want you can fill this. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.